So why are we here? All of our lives have been touched in one way or another by cancer, whether it's our relatives, friends, or us personally. Cancer is all around us, and we've made remarkable strides, but it's still a problem, as we know. Women relapse and die of breast cancer and lose their lives way too early. Breast cancer is the most common cancer diagnosis in women in the United States. So 1 out of 8 women will get breast cancer, and about 12% of women in the United States at some point in their career will get breast cancer. So this is actually a common disease, and understanding how the disease develops and how it progresses and what the driving forces are that make this grow and move to other organs is incredibly important in our struggle to better treat this disease. And at UCSF, at the Comprehensive Cancer Center, we have a really unique setting where we have the skills and power and creativity and passion to really make a change. We have a multidisciplinary group of physicians and specialists, including all different aspects of cancer care. So from everybody from the laboratory researchers to the oncologists, surgeons, social workers, geneticists, our staff who work tirelessly, you've heard from some today and some of whom have come to make this work, our infusion nurses, people who really have given their lives to try and change the world in terms of the treatment of cancer. And actually part of this is not just investigating better ways to diagnose and treat breast cancer, obviously at the front of our minds, but it's also trying to support women who have this disease. We want to help women with decision making, we want to help their quality of life, and we want to keep in mind our goal all the time, which is to help people with any type of cancer live as long as they can with the best quality of life. And I think that at UCSF we have a team that's put together that's working towards that goal. Not just the new drug, not just the next step, but making it work both for the patient and the community as well. And we've made remarkable progress. We have a long road ahead of us. Your support means better care for our patients, and it goes directly to support our research activities in advanced breast cancer. Just a couple of examples of some of the work that we've done and are doing, where we've taken laboratory work and brought it into the clinic. We have a project which is partially funded by the Komen Foundation, and where we're raising money now to help us with this project, where a laboratory researcher found that the host immune response actually plays an important role in how you could deal with your cancer. So we know that your tumor escapes the immune system, but it turns out that this immune response also plays a really important role in how well chemotherapy works or other treatments to kill the cancer. So we have an agent, we're partnering with a company in the Bay Area who has a drug which blocks macrophages, a type of white blood cell, and we're combining that with chemotherapy to see if we can change resistance and change outcome, so that we're understanding now we need to target the processes that make the cancer grow, and we need to also re-educate the host immune system. Under the direction of Laura Esserman, the director of the Breast Care Center, the Clinical Breast Care Center, we have a remarkable program treating women who are diagnosed with early stage breast cancer that's a little bit larger, with a series of novel agents combined with chemotherapy called I-SPY 2. We have 22 sites in the United States involved in that program that's supported by the Foundation for the National Institute of Health and by many donors. And by that, we're also taking the laboratory into the clinic, and we also bring the clinic back to the laboratory so we can further improve our work in treating this disease. So together, I think we can win this race. And I really appreciate all of your presence today, your support, the beautiful hats, everyone's work for this. And we hope to see you again and be able to do this next year. Thank you.